Trick is you heat up the water first, so that way you do not have to let the sous vide
be the heater.
Be the heater. So we're gonna plug it in, and there we go. Little dude's talking, and then all of a sudden, it's in the bath.
Okay.
It's starting to heat up here. So right now the water's at 155. We're at 146. So we're gonna hit play or start. And see, you can see the water is starting to spin there, okay? Now, for our chicken, we have a little app that we're gonna take a look at. We have a couple, do you like it very soft and juicy? Do you like it tender and juicy? Now, the different temperatures and stringy, firm, juicy, and stringy is at 160. That's for an hour, okay? So those are the different temperatures. What we'll do is take the chicken, place it in the sous vide. We want to make sure all the water's out. Sue, do you have a wooden spoon or something that we can just kind of...
I got tons of wooden spoons.
And then we're gonna put it in here.
Take the air, you're taking the air out?
Taking all the air out. Normally what I'll do too is if I don't put a wooden spoon, is I'll take a paper clip or like a sandwich bag.
Oh yeah.
Just so it stays down. But as you can see, we're cooking.
Okay, now can you only do one piece of chicken per bag?
You can do, no, you can put multiple chicken in there.
Okay, so does it take longer?
No, it doesn't. It is the same amount of time. But if you do put multiple, you want to probably rotate them as you cook. So we can do that. And as you can see.
So the air's out of the bag.
Air is out of the bag. So here, we'll do one. Here, let's put in another one for right now. Same thing. Let's get the air out.
So you don't have to do a single bag for every...
No. So basically all we're gonna do then is let these chicken breasts cook. And obviously this is gonna take some time, so you have time to prep other food. That's the key. Now.
So this takes about an hour.
Well, depending on how you like your chicken.
Okay.
How
do you like your chicken?
We usually do about an hour and a half to 2 hours. That way we cook it at a lower temperature, but for a longer period of time, because we like that soft and juicy temperature. When it beeps that it's reached the ideal temperature of how long you're supposed to cook it.
And it's going to stay there.
And it stays there. Yep.
It knows you're cooking chicken.
Yep. Well, it knows the temperature, not that you're cooking chicken.
Oh, okay. All
so
right.
That's the key right there.
Okay. All right.
So now that it's cooked, our next step is to get that nice golden brown look on it.
Okay, let's do it.
So the first thing we're going to do though is
fix
my collar. Is we're going to, anytime you cook anything in a skillet, which we're going to use a skillet right here, we have to pat it dry because oil and water do not mix. That's we're going to have a nice little fire there. So we're going to take this out.
So there's water in there? Oh,
this is probably
that moisture from the lemons and
yes.
Okay.
We're basically we've taken out the chicken, which is kind of crazy.
We're not cooking the lemon.
We're not. We could cook it in lemon.
I don't know that it adds anything.
You know what? It probably wouldn't go well because of the moisture.
Yeah, that's true.
So now that we patted it dry, okay, so we'll put in the oil, and then what we'll do is...
They are pretty ugly looking.
Yes, they are. Yeah, right now they are. So we're going to let that cook there.
That's a big chicken breast. We're browning it up. Now it looks like I could eat it.
Yes.
I'm anxious to get a bite of it. Oh my gosh. It's very tender. All right, let me. I don't think I can make a piece of chicken that nice.
Really?
How fun for you to come today
Yeah.
and teach me, number one, how to spell sous vide, sous vide, sous vide,
Sous vide.
sous vide. I should remember that. My maiden name was Via, so sous vide was my maiden
oui.
name.
Oui,
Oui,
oui.
oui. Anyway, I have a gift for you for
Oh.
coming today. These are my favorite kitchen towels. They're from Geometry. They're an online company, and they come in many beautiful designs, but that's that.
Thank
and
you.
these are fun. These are recyclable paper towels. So they can be washed in the washing machine.
No way.
Yeah, yeah. And they're made by the same company, Geometry.
Wow.
So that's
Thank you,
my
Sue.
gift to you
Oh, thank
for
you.
coming and being our guest chef.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
And now we have all learned how to cook sous vide.